I see flooded streets and flooded homes. I see the loss from so many zones. Yet I think to myself, oh, what a wonderful world. I see friends on boats and strangers too, rescuing those who they never knew. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see Houston, Texas, in the midst of distress. I see different kinds of people come together in this mess. I see people making friends, saying, what can I do? They're really saying, I care for you. I see neighbors help in so many ways. We've done much more than the world will know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh, yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.